Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be talking about this Laneige water sleeping mask. I've used a whole lot out of this product and I'm so loving it. So this is an overnight moisture mask that purifies with exclusive sleep talks, and then it intensively hydrates throughout the night for clear and glowing skin every morning. It's for all skin types and is dermatologically tested. So it's something that you put on after all your skincare products. It's the last final thing you put on before you go to bed, and like you don't wash it off before you go to bed. So it basically does its wonders while you are asleep, and then when you wake up in the morning you wash this off. First of all, I must comment on the fragrance. Like personally, I'm not really a fan of products with lots of fragrance, but this one that I have, there's an exception when it has to do with this one. This one isn't overpowering, it's more like calming. I love the fragrance. I think the fragrance is even supposed to like encourage you to like calm down and have a restful sleep. This is what the texture looks like. It's gel like, and then I like to be generous while applying it. I just apply it all over my entire skin, and to be honest, I think I've used this for quite a while. Like it's lasted for so many months, and you're supposed to use it for like once or twice a week, but sometimes I use it 3 times. It all depends, and then sometimes I don't even use it all through the week, but whenever I use it, like the next morning, my skin feels so amazing. My skin feels so plump. My skin feels well moisturized and then so smooth. Like you guys, this is an amazing product. Like this is one product that I will encourage everyone and anyone to get. It's one of those Korean skincare products. And then this one, this Laneige sleeping mask, like it's not like the other kind of sheet mask where you put on and then after a while you take it out, but this one is amazing. I would go for this over sheet mask anytime, any day. Like it's super hydrating, it's moisturizing, it's plumping, it's wonderful. It's good for all skin types: sensitive skin, dry skin, oily skin, normal skin. This is just amazing. I think this cost about £23, and trust me, and this one comes in 70 ml, but you will get a lot of use out of this. So if you've got dry skin, I would highly recommend this, because trust me, like the way you would feel in the morning, it's so amazing. And then another thing I really loved about this product is that, like, when you use it, it doesn't transfer onto your pillow. Like sometimes I know that while I'm sleeping, or maybe in the middle of the night when I wake up and then I touch my face still feels very plump. It doesn't feel greasy at all. It's not oily. It just feels very plump. It feels like there's something very luxurious, something refreshing on my face. And then, oh my god, when I wake up in the morning, my face I just look like, my face feels and it looks super plump. And then it's just one of those products that I'm so happy I jumped on. It is worth the hype. I'm so loving me this sleeping mask, and when I exhaust this, trust me, I'm going to get me some more. And I know they have this brand Laneige, they have other products like this, the lip mask and all that. That sounds interesting. Maybe one of these days I'll give it a try. A trial will, convince you. See, I'm talking as if this is sponsored. I bought this with my money, but I like to let you guys know stuff that I truly like, things that are working, and I think that they are worth it. So this one is one of those. I'll try to do a video first thing in the morning when I wake up, just before I rinse it out. So this is what my skin, can you see how my skin looks? It's just amazing, trust me. See, my skin feels so fresh. Like whenever I use it in the morning, my skin feels super great. And then why I really love this as well is that I've tried another brand. I'm not going to mention the brand's name. I've tried their sleeping mask, and like it was just a waste of money, even though it was very, very super cheap. The brand is a big one. It's not like it's this, but I tried their version. oh my goodness, like it's nothing compared to this one. So I am totally loving this Laneige. So I think I have hyped this product well enough. Like I'm sure you guys will be like, let me check and then see if I can get this product. So yeah, if you can get it, do get it, you won't regret it. So guys, this has to be for today's video. I hope you found this helpful. It is way past my bedtime. So guys, see, to show you how I love this product, I said I must definitely do a review, and I see what time it is. See, it's, oh, can you see the time? It's 12:43 a.m. so it's nearly 1 a.m. and a girl has to sleep. So that has to be for today's video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, let me know in the comment section below if you've tried this or if you've tried any other masks. Let me know as well in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to see you guys at my next one. Yes, if you haven't subscribed, please be sure to subscribe, and then I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.